Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off guys this color mode guys. You can see guys this color setting guys in your Tecno phone guys you have on by mistake, and guys someone has on this setting, and guys someone has changed your phone settings. So guys how can you off this setting, and guys how can you solve this problem? So friends, we call it guys color inversion mode setting friends. So guys you want to turn off guys your color inversion, so guys you can turn off. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off this color setting. So first of all guys, we know guys on our guys phone setting, and guys you can see the setting, then guys scroll it, guys click on guys your special function setting fans, tap here, guys click on accessibility setting fans, and guys you can see the search setting, then guys scroll it, as you can see color inversion mode. So as you want to off it, so as you can off from here. So guys color inversion mode will off in your Technophone guys. You can see now everything is fine, good. Then guys you can use your phone without this problem guys, means without this color, without this color setting guys you can operate your phone. So I hope friends you've understood how to off color inversion mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.